In this tutorial, you want jumper wires, breadboard, LED, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno. The ultrasonic sensor sends the ultrasonic sound and the sound reflects on the object and returns back to the sensor. The sensor detects the distance by calculating the total time taken for ultrasonic sound to travel from the sensor to the object and return back. The bat also uses the same way to detect the obstacles. Click enter, add hashtag, define, echo 2. We are storing the pin number 2 in the name of echo. Add hashtag, define, trig 4. I am storing the pin number 4 in the name of trig. Type pinMode, M in capital, then type echo. Echo pin is input, so type input in capital letters. Type pinMode, trig. Trigger pin is output, so type output in capital letters. If you want to use serialmometer in any project, you want to type this in the void loop. Serial is in capital, Serial.begin. We are fixing the baud rate in this line. 9600 means 9600 bits per second will transfer. Then in void loop, type digitalWrite. For output devices, type write, trig pin low, first of the trig pin. Then type delay, microseconds, M in capital, first of the trigger pin for 2 microseconds. Then type digitalWrite, trig high, add semicolon, type delay, M in capital, these two lines means on the trig pin for 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, the sensor will emit the ultrasonic waves. Type digitalWrite, trig low, off the trig pin after this 10 seconds. Then add a variable long is a variable, type t. You can type any name here. In t, type pulseIn, I in capital, type echo high. This means the echo pin will on after the ultrasonic waves are sent. Then the pulses coming from the coming into the echo pin will store in the name of T. I am adding another variable log. You can type any name here. I am typing centimeter equal type. You want to copy this name, paste it, symbol, type 29 2 semicolon. This is the formula used to get the value in centimeters. Then type S in capital Serial dot print ln for getting the value vertically in the serial monitor. Copy this name, paste it here, add semicolon. This means the value coming from this formula will be shown in the serial monitor vertically. You want to copy this name from here. Type serial dot print bracket, add this symbol, type any name here. I am typing centimeter. So the in front of this value, this name will appear. Compile the code now. Don't forget to add semicolon here. The compiling done successfully. Go to tools, select the port, upload the code to the Arduino. This is the ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor. This is the echo pin. This is the trig pin. This is the VCC pin. Now fit the ultrasonic sensor on the breadboard. Then connect one wire here. This is the ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor. So connect the wire to the ground pin of the Arduino. Connect this wire to echo pin. The echo pin is connected in pin number 4. Connect this pin, the trigger pin, to the pin number 2. Connect this wire to the VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor. So connect this pin to the 5 voltage pin of the Arduino. Okay, now upload the code. Go to tools, open serial monitor. See, the value of the serial monitor is changing. Now I am connecting an LED with this project pinMode in pin number 6. LED is an output device, so type output in capital letters. Type if in brackets copy this, paste it here, type 5, and open bracket, type digitalWrite pin number 6 high. These two lines means if the value coming from the sensor is less than 5 cm on the LED, else type digitalWrite pin number 6 low. These two lines means if the value coming from the sensor is more than 5 cm of the LED, you can connect any devices with this. Now compile the code. Okay, now upload the code. Go to tools, click serial monitor, connect the LED to the breadboard. Connect the short pin to pin number to the ground of the Arduino. And connect the long pin of the LED to the pin number 6. Now connect the Arduino to the laptop. Now you can see if the object near the sensor, the LED will lights up. You can see when the object is far away from the sensor, the LED will off